Ain't even given nibble the nibble yet. I mean, goddamn.
Dude, do you know this man? Oh, get away, move away.
No, I just ran into her.
Oh,
Or she ran into me.
he's harmless.
Oh, I know. I feel it's all right.
That's her husband over there. He said, I go with her. I said, bullshit. Bullshit. I ain't taking him too, but I will take this young lady here. He's on the fucking toe.
Look who I'm here with again.
Yeah, baby. You're the man. Hi.
What's on the other side? These are cool.
Yeah. Look at that turbo. Ain't never been far.
It's not a switchblade though. Needs a switchblade.
Huh?
Needs a switchblade turbo.
Yeah. How did it get in here without running? That ain't ever ran.
No, it hasn't.
How'd they get it in here? Pull it?
Four-wheeler maybe, pull it, something. Mule.
Maybe. Had to do something, didn't it?
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, I saw that too. I saw that too.
My Lord, baby, are you kidding me?
Hey, shag carpet, man.
Yeah.
Shag carpet.
Jesus.
Shag, baby.
Yeah,
Shag.
shag, baby.
So what are these?
Your shifts.
Oh.
Boy, like that.
All right. See you later. All right.
You missed out, but me and Jay already seen it
On what?
right over there and two of them fighting.
I don't care about that.
Yeah,
I'm into diesel.
Hey,
You,
Jay, if she seen that one in the white, he would like it, wouldn't he?
You know why truckers like that woman?
uh-uh.
When they bend over, they look like a fifth wheel.
Yeah, baby. That boy ain't right there. Woo.
Oh.
Where are you going now?
I don't know. Let's mosey on down this way. Are you? Yeah, I need some drink too. Look at the patina on her. She got a brand new chrome grille and light covers and the original paint. Look at them seats on the floor. You can be all gangster.
Yeah. My God. I got a 72 feet, 10 times prettier than that. Here's got some oxidation going on.
It's got a Cummins in it. No?
Oh, excuse me, sorry.
This is a marm. Excuse me, sir.
It's got a 1693 in there.
Huh?
It's got a, yeah.
What's it got?
First road engine, 16, wasn't it?
1693.
Yeah.
Are essentially
3406 and this one.
a variety of different features and functions, but typically they have some ability to
Marm, were they good?
the road itself.
All the Mormons live in Utah. Are you a Mormon? The Church of Jesus Christ of Mormons.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Software.
Hey, Reed, back in the day, there's me. Huh?
You'd look good in there.
There's me back in the day. Damn right.
If we could get a picture of him in there, that'd be
You
priceless.
ought to try to get it.
Oh,
Huh?
Beat your ass.
yeah. I'm gonna walk away when you do.
Huh?
I'm walking away when you do. I don't want to see
Could take
the.
a picture of you standing in front of it.
Take a picture.
Stand in front of that pen.
Oh, that's a KW. Oh wow.
That's a KW, baby. Boy, ain't that a
Stand
hell?
in front of it.
No, I got this shit all over. Oh, my shit. Oh, God damn it. God damn it,
Hey,
weed.
stand in front of there. That'll dry.
Yeah, here.
Wipe
take
it with your bag.
How you
Take his
get the
bag and
bag
wipe. You tied it in a damn knot, Grandpa.
Fucking hands are turning purple.
Oh man.
Down around there.
Hi, Justin.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I want you.
He said I'd fuck up a wet dream.
Well, I was gonna have a hot shot it because they
I'm
Well, that's a nice baby.
is that the carburetor right there?
I'm gonna raise the hood. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Do you believe that?
That's some patina.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
Yeah. Look.
That's good. 24.
Wow.
Look at this chain drive. Huh? Look at that, Jay. My Lord. Dual wheels on the rear. Well, they were getting slick, right?
They had somebody recap those, didn't they?
Yeah.
That's a solid rubber tire.
Solid rubber. Yes, sir.
Wow.
My Lord. Look into that thing. Worked him up. Yeah.
That's Jeremy Castle coming up there with the red hat on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I want to meet him.
Go fetch him, Tom. Quick. Go on, Speedy. On your marks, get set.
Get your motor running.
Oh,
Go.
What you got there? You
That's
got your
mine.
rock.
That's
Oh.
mine.
I've got that because I make it up quilts.
Has it got metrics on it? No
She
metrics.
works in inches anyway.
Oh, you're dead.
A little bit lower.
Slap the donkey.
Slaps the
Slap his
donkey.
ass.
Yeah.
Slap the donkey.
Boy,
Hey, he's got a fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't show us that one. What does Jeremy do?
He's a driver. He drives for Scott Industries
Okay.
and delivers construction steel up into Canada.
Oh, okay.
Texas policy.
No, pretty cool. Isn't that cool? With the lights.
Hi, Jeremy. Jeff Anderson.
Oh, Jeff, pleasure to me. I'm like, we just got talking about Bill Ruthwich because all his trucks are just. See.
What is that?
3408.
Big old
3408.
3408. A lot of chrome on
They
it.
made a 3208, didn't they?
3208.
Oh, look at that. It's even dripping on the floor.
It is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They run that in that one up there. They ain't never run.
No, it's a show truck.
Mm-hmm.
Nice truck.
Yeah.
Calendar pen. Your hands are full. Oh, don't drop that soda. It'll spray all over you.
I need more stuff, Roxanne.
Yes, you do. How about you two, dear? That's less I gotta give away. Better not get this pen.
No, nice style. Thank you.
That's actually your current calendar. You gotta rip 2 days off.
Ladies and gentlemen, exhibitors and attendees, the Thursday session of the 2023 Mid-America Trucking Show is open to everyone in attendance. The show will be open until 6 p.m.
Oh, man.
Pretty good old truck. V8 and.
I don't know which engine that is.
Huh? 72. You know, my 72, or no, mine's a 92.
549 V8 gasser.
Yeah.
What, 2 miles a gallon? Three,
I
maybe?
don't know if you get to.
No.
Huh? Pulling.
That's cool, ain't it?
Yeah. Billy Poindexter had 2 FWDs set up like that.
That's cool.
Yes, that is.
Look at the frame. Yeah, that don't last long, does it?
Ain't no good for. Let's put her on the ground.
Look at it, but look at the frame up here.
Oh,
Look at the thickness.
goddamn, yes.
Look at how thick that is.
Yes, that is, Jay. Unreal. But he had to do that.
Yeah, to get the shackles down where you needed them.
No. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Touching dirt with your bare hand, fixing up, taking care of your family land. Wife it up, become a family man. Ooh, just settle down.
How do they do that? Oh, white salt. Oh, but that's all.
There's your royal purple Peter, Bill.
Oh, purple Peter. Man, there's a lot of trucks out here too.
Purple Peter, Bill. You know that song?
Should I paint old Canny purple to match my Challenger? No.
A lot of money in the wrap up.
A lot of money wrapped up in the frame.
That's a 2020 Peterbilt. Oh my God.
Does say that, don't it?
Look at that reverse arch. That's what it
Got the
is.
reverse arch. It's got the airbags on it.
How does it? God, I don't know. I guess that airbag's taking the weight. That's really not doing anything but holding.
It stabilizes it, but that's how low it's got it. I never drove anything that low. Didn't seem to have how it fit with
Coming.
So do you ever watch that Western Truck and Tractor?
Yeah.
Up in the northern part of the state, I guess.
Oh, God, what's his first name? Warren.
Warren.
I don't know his last name.
If I do, it'll come. Anyway, he's in there all along. This is the truck show here.
Yeah. There's one for sale. Clean.
Very clean. That K100, we had at Coca-Cola, it came with a white 3406B in it, painted white.
Pretty. Wow, really pretty.
Over the top.
And got a white fuel filter, a marine filter. That's cool.
And a fella that's trying to nail
Oh yeah. Not legally.
This is called money to burn. You know it?
Yeah.
That's all burned. But boy, you ain't gonna run this one. No.
It is a 4-axle trailer.
Double airbag.
Unfortunately, out my way, you gotta have length to make bridge lock. Gotta space all that weight out. So I'm 94 feet bumper to bumper on my setup. It's looking inside the truck right now.
Oh yeah, pretty bad. You devil. You're a killer.
I am. I am. It's on 262. Look at that. He's got modern AC on her. Wow. Really nice.
What's the name of these sleepers that Eagle? Double Eagle?
I can't remember. Yeah, that sounds familiar. They still make them, don't they?
I know there's a used one sitting down there on the side of I-65. The guy probably wants them in for him.
Oh, I bet. I bet.
Inside, they're wonderful. When I was a kid, Jeff would come over to the truck show. I didn't even have my driver's license, but they had the bumps sitting there on the displays.
That guy brings that lady up. He knows how to pick them up, don't he?
That's just a little kid, bro. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. What engine is this guy?
Louisiana.
Oh, okay.
Now, here, filming. He's been here in Louisiana 3 weeks longer than me. Huh? How you like that, David? Huh?
I'm not sure you're telling me the truth, man.
I think I did.
Is this your truck or?
My boss's truck.
Oh, what is that? An old 262?
1947 Peterbilt.
So is it a 262 or a 220?
Don't give me that.
White boy there.
Oh, that's older than in age. That's old.
This
Wow.
is 47.
Wow.
Look at that floor.
So is that like a
Not
C
white.
model Cummins? Is that what they called that? 8. Okay. Wow.
Keep that aside. They wasn't quite done, but they brought her in again.
What do you got to put here?
We're up at northbound. I think we're gonna do maybe some quilted copper.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to build this?
From when I started to right now, we're in 5 months.
Oh, really? You did it that quick?
That ain't bad.
He's been hitting liquor stores. So you get all that money.
But
Chicago about an hour ago. I'm rolling down the Dixie, man, I'm flying low. Eating up the miles like a big dog gnawed up on. I'm headed for some loving and a home-cooked meal, riding 400 horses and 18 wheels. I called up my baby down in Alabama. I'm in the kitchen baking country ham. I really love a mess and I ain't got a thing to wear. I said all you need's that apron and your red high heels. Come on, 400 horses and 18 wheels. Riding 400 horses and 18 makes me feel. Just a cloud of smoke and a flash of steel, riding 400 horses and 18 wheels. Trucking for a living's how I make my dough. I take it where you need it and I won't go slow. I haul anything from a bucket to the 4th of July. If you need it there tomorrow, I can do the deal. Riding 400 horses and 18 wheels.
So this has been a difficult video to make. I hope you enjoyed it. I just had a super awesome time with Mike Freeman and Ben Wheatley and Dan Crewer. Dan took me over to the Ford plant where they build the Ford trucks. I didn't film any of that. I didn't want to get him in trouble. But anyway, it was a great time. I had a really good time with Carrie and Sam and Steve James. They're from England. I took them out for dinner over to Texas Roadhouse. I believe it was the first night that I was there. We had a really good time. Unfortunately, at some point, we all got COVID. And when I came home Saturday, by the time I got to Denver to change planes, I kind of felt like maybe there was something going on. I kind of had a scratchy throat. And then by the time I got home from Salt Lake, it was about 11 o'clock. I was not feeling well. It's Friday today, so it's been almost 2 weeks. And I'm still coughing a little bit. Mrs. Jpaydirt's had it. But Sam and Carrie got it when they went home, and it got pretty bad with Carrie, and she passed away the other day. I just feel so bad for Sam. I don't know what to say. So it's been hard to do anything because between being sick and then she was sick and the prognosis wasn't good, and then Sam let me know yesterday morning about 6 o'clock my time that she had passed away. I don't know. My local doctor said that COVID has mutated so many times. It's the new cold and flu, and they just don't hardly hospitalize anybody for it anymore. But unfortunately, in Carrie's case, that just didn't happen, and it really hit her hard. And I don't know. It just really has put a damper on things. You know, sometimes you just don't want to do anything. So anyway, my thoughts and prayers are with Sam. Wish I was closer, but I'm not. There's just nothing I can do, and that's the most frustrating part. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video.